Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn about setting units in AutoCAD. Before you draw anything on AutoCAD, ensure you set the units. This is very important to avoid any mistakes. So to set units, first of all, you type units like that and type enter. Then it will open this panel where you'll be able to set the units. So you can set the units either it is decimal, architectural, engineering, structural, uh, and so on. So you choose decimal, and then the precision will depend either 2 decimal place or 3 decimal place. For me, I'm gonna go into 3 decimal place because I want to use meters. So here you can select the intentional scale. So you can choose meters, millimeters, inches, and so on. So I'm gonna stick with meters. And then for angles, we're going to work on degrees, minutes, and seconds. And the precision is to degrees, to minutes, and to seconds. And another thing, you need to ensure that your angles, you're measuring it clockwise. So another thing is to set the direction. The direction is set to be towards north because we want to make all our angles with reference to the north. Okay, and then you click OK. That is how we set our units. AutoCAD really does not really understand the numbers. So when you plot like 10 units, it could be 10 meters, 10 millimeters. So it is very important before you start drawing to set the units correctly. Thank you. See you for the next one.